What began in 2019 as a bold idea has grown into a global movement. From 195 participants in the first edition of the TPAO to 1,300 doctors today.
It's more than just an event, it's a community. Really, guys, I've been passing the last 2 days speaking with hundreds of doctors about their ambition, about what they want, how they see the future of orthodontics, and I think it's where it happened. The future of orthodontics is happening here, in this room, with really the vision on digital planning, the vision on monitoring, the vision on what we need to do to be better dental professionals.
We are trying to get in people's hearts to evoke emotion so they can remember how they felt when they were with us at the TPAO.
For me, this is the best congress in the world. Good energy, amazing speakers, and the best topics. I'm in love with you.
I'm at TPAO 2025 in Cologne, Germany. This Congress has been an amazing learning experience for me, learning from the best minds in aligner treatment from all over the world.
An outstanding event, and so I enjoyed it so much. I learned so much. I had so much interaction. Always wonderful, not only the content but also the socialized networking and also the party.
And so I invite you to Hamburg 2027. Don't miss the next TPAO Congress. See you there.
Wow, these 2 days, everything runs smoothly. There was such an amazing congress, and I really would like to say thank you to everybody. Thank you to the orthodontists, to the technicians, to the team members, to our family and friend support, and also to all the sponsors. You make this happen, and I'm so much looking forward to the next TPAO. Wow!